RBL. You know, some people look at that or they listen to it and they're like, RBL? Why RBL? What does that even mean? Why didn't she explain it? But that's a good example of the people that are on the outside looking in. But some of us are on the inside looking out. And this is for you because you're just like me. So with that being said, read between the lines. Hello, all of my beautiful angel seekers in Christ. I love you forever. Yeah, that's right. I love you with all of my heart. Now, it's something we need to go ahead and take care of. You need to go ahead and click that button down there and subscribe and hit that bell, and I'm going to wait on you. The faster that you go ahead and click that button, the faster we can move on with this makeup tutorial because I am seriously still waiting on you. That's right. So go ahead and do what you got to do, and I'll be here waiting. Yep, don't take that long. So just hit the button and hit the bell so we can come on here. Okay? If you don't want to, I respect your decision. Now, there's something else that we need to go ahead and take care of. Now, God is coming back. And he is coming for me and for you. So we can all go where we're supposed to go, and that's to heaven. Heaven is real, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. And I want to go there. And I know you want to go too. All we got to do is let go of the ways of this earthly world and get more in tune with our spiritual side. Now, about this makeup tutorial. First, of course, you want to start off with a nice, beautiful, clean face. Look at that. Just pure golden skin. Look at that. I don't mistreat my skin, y'all. But after you get done admiring yourself, then we can get started.
Okay, Daddy, what are we going to say?
Well, you know today is Mama's birthday, right?
Yeah, I know. Do I have to write a song, Daddy?
You don't have to. You could just say what's on your heart.
That would be a long song.
Well, what if I started off and then you can just talk?
That would be good. Because I just woke up. I need a glass of water.
Well, go get some water, and I'm about to say this.
You know what time it is, baby. It's time to celebrate. It's time for you to blow out them candles up on that cake. Look how far Jesus brought you. It was nothing but faith. For us to see you wake up and see another day. Ain't God good?
Yes, he's good.
Yeah, he good. You bring joy to our life every day. He know you would. I love you with all my heart, baby. Hope you have so much joy.
I'm just saying, our kids, they think your presence is their toys. I ain't even lying to you.
There are my toys, Daddy. I got something to say. Mama, how old are you? You can tell me later. But I really love you. I'm so happy because you're the best mama. I must say happy birthday. Okay, don't laugh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday to you. Love you, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Are you Batman? I thought you knew. I love you, Mama. Happy birthday. I love you too so much. Okay. Mama.
Yeah. 1-9. Come on. That's the thing that he'll do. Oh yeah. That's the thing that he'll do. Yeah. That's the thing that he'll do. He'll do it. All you gotta do is sit and you pray. That's the thing that he'll do. Come on. That's the thing that he'll do.
You know he'll do it.
That's the thing that he'll do. Yeah. All you gotta do is sit and you pray. That's the thing that he'll do. Lately you been feeling down and out, down and out. the doctors and found out that you had cancer up in your bloodstream. That's why you feel weak. That's why you can't sleep. They say it's nothing they can do because it's spread. They gave you some medicine to see if it would help, but you had a better way. You went home and prayed. A couple of months later, say the cancer went away. That's the thing that he'll do. Oh yeah, that's the thing that he'll do. Yeah, that's the thing that he'll do. He'll do it. All you gotta do, sit and you pray. That's the thing that he'll do. Come on. That's the thing that he'll do. You know he'll do it. That's the thing that he'll do. Yeah. All you gotta do is sit and you pray. That's the thing that he'll do. People don't understand the power of the prayer. You have to get to know him because he's always there. You have to be willing to change and repent every day. And don't go back to your evil way. And if it ever feel like you slipping, you falling, just call on Jesus and he will help you solve. It's just that easy. Having God on your side is just that breezy. Listen to his teaching. That's the thing that he'll do. That's the thing that he'll do. He'll do it. All you gotta do, sit and you pray. That's the thing that he'll do. Come on. That's the thing that he'll do. You know he'll do it. That's the thing that he'll do. Yeah. All you gotta do is sit and you pray. That's the thing that he'll do.
Okay, Daddy, what are we going to say?
Well, you know today is Mama's birthday, right?
Yeah, I know. Do I have to write a song, Daddy?
You don't have to. You could just say what's on your heart.
That would be a long song.
Well, what if I started off and then you can just talk?
That would be good. Because I just woke up. I need a glass of water.
Well, go get some water, and I'm about to say this.
You know what time it is, baby. It's time to celebrate. It's time for you to blow out them candles up on that cake. Look how far Jesus brought you. It was nothing but faith. For us to see you wake up and see another day. Ain't God good?
Yes, he's good.
Yeah, he good. You bring joy to our life every day. He know you would. I love you with all my heart, baby. Hope you have so much joy.
I'm just saying, our kids, they think your presence is their toys. I ain't even lying to you.
There are my toys, Daddy. I got something to say. Mama, how old are you? You can tell me later. But I really love you. I'm so happy because you're the best mama. I must say happy birthday. Okay, don't laugh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday to you. Love you, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Are you Batman? I thought you knew. I love you, Mama. Happy birthday. I love you too so much. Okay. Mama.
Yeah. 1 eye. Come on. That's the thing that he'll do. Oh yeah. That's the thing that he'll do. Yeah. That's the thing that he'll do. He'll do it. All you gotta do is sit and you pray. That's the thing that he'll do. Come on. That's the thing that he'll do. You know he'll do it. That's the thing that he'll do. Yeah. All you gotta do is sit doctors and found out that you had cancer up in your bloodstream. Yeah, that's why you feel weak. That's why you can't sleep. They say it's nothing they can do because it's spread. They gave you some medicine to see if it would help, but you had a better way. You went home and prayed. A couple of months later, say the cancer went away. That's the thing that he'll do. Oh yeah, that's the thing that he'll do. Yeah, that's the thing that he'll do. He'll do it. All you gotta do, sit and you pray. That's the thing that he'll do. Come on. That's the thing that he'll do. You know he'll do it. That's the thing that he'll do. Yeah. All you gotta do is sit and you pray. That's the thing that he'll do. People don't understand the power of the prayer. You have to get to know him because he's always there. You have to be willing to change and repent every day. And don't go back to your evil way. And if it ever feel like you slipping, you falling, just call on Jesus and he will help you solve. It's just that easy. Having God on your side is just that breezy. Listen to his team. That's the thing that he'll do. That's the thing that he'll do. He'll do it. All you gotta do, sit and you pray. That's the thing that he'll do. Come on. That's the thing that he'll do. You know he'll do it. That's the thing that he'll do. Yeah. All you gotta do is sit and you pray. That's the thing that he'll do.
Talk about how good you've been. So good to me, so good to me, so good to me. Oh, you've been so good to me, so good to me, so good to me. Yeah, you've been so good to me, so good to me, so good to me. Oh, you've been so good to me, so good to me, so good.
They say it's nothing they can do because it's spread. They gave you some medicine to see if it would help, but you had a better way. You went home and prayed. A couple of months later, say the cancer went away. That's the thing that he'll do. Oh yeah. That's the thing that he'll do. Yeah. That's the thing that he'll do. He'll do it. All you gotta do, sit